Uray no sawem payanapon no kacak tupay lapatyen taamok ngagang agaw ka. Uray no ikarim pay amin ang pitpitwe. Uray no ikarim pay nga agsingsingtet ka. Kasano ngamin manong nga ayaten kaket yawag kaket ka. Playboy ni Kalsada. Di nagmalilaw ka na kita. Sasamit asar sarita kaya tagtuoken ka kagaktuken nga aglulwa di nakalilaw ka na kita nasasamit asar sarita kaya tagtuoken ka tududi na. Maikari taadana dagikwa uray no sawem payanapon no kacak tupay lapatyen taamok ngagang agaw ka. Uray no ikari pay amin ang pitpitwe. Uray no ikari pay nga agsingsingket ka. Kasano ngamin manong nga ayaten kaket yawag kaket ka. Playboy ti Kalsada. Nagmalilaw ka na kita masasamit asar sarita tadyak kaya tagtuoken ka tadyak tuket nga aglulwa. Di nagmalilaw ka na kita masasamit asar sarita tadyak kaya tagtuoken ka tududi na. O naraniag a bulan ununay ko entenga day tanas laga silaw mo di mo kadipayda. O naraniag a bulan sangsangit ko entenga to'y nasingit na lubong ko kakat silawan tapnoy tsak mayaw awan no ikanang lipaten ngayon kaniyak nagibusin samsami nagtipatay ubulan kat aklunim nang lalay may ayat ika kadin paras bangin ununoy kudarasem na ikete. O naraniag a bulan sangsangit ko endenga day tanas laga silaw mo di mo kadipayda. O naraniag a bulan sangsangit ko endenga to'y nasingit na lubong ko kakat silawan tapnoy tsak mayaw awan no ikanang lipaten karin kariyak nagibusin samsami nagipatay ubulan kat aklunim nang laylay ni ayat ko ika padin paras bangin ununoy kudarasem na ikete. in old Oklahoma. Two hearts beating in tune. Love faded away with my darling. And left me all alone. Left me to find you, my darling. My darling that once was my own. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love, tell her I'm running away, waiting in old Oklahoma, and hoping she'll come back someday. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. When we remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. When we remember Zion, there the wicked carried us away, captivity required us from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? There the wicked carried us away, captivity required us from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Let your word of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in the sight here tonight. Let your words of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in the sight here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. When we remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat